student, now we are going to start this complex number, another unit, that is a complex number and matrices. Actually, two units means two topics are together, that is a complex number and matrices. I will tell you what you have to do about matrices, but I am going to take now complex number. Now actually you have studied that is a natural number first, 1, 2, 3 like this. Then whole number means means 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Then we have developed the integers, that is a -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this. Then the rational number we have studied, that is a p by q type, that is fractions, that is where p, q are integers and q is not 0. Then non-rational, that is irrational. Then irrational. Okay, irrational. And then we know that all these rational or irrational, these are known as real number. Okay, but there are another numbers, and these are very important in technology and science. Now for these numbers we are going to explain some basic concept. Now suppose if you want to find root 4, that is root 4 is 2. Why? Because since 2 square is 4. Okay, but square of any real is greater than or equal to 0, means positive or 0. Square of any real is greater than or equal to 0. Now root 9 you can that is root 9 is 3. Okay, since 3 square is 9. But suppose I want to find root of -9. Root of -9 means you have to find such a number whose square is -9. We have to find such a number whose square is -9, and definitely आता नक्कीच तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की असा कुठलाही रिअल नंबर नाही की ज्याचा स्क्वेअर काय असणार आहे, लेस दॅन काय असणार, 0. मीन्स देर इज नो रिअल नंबर हुज स्क्वेअर इज -9. परंतु मॅथमॅटिक्स मध्ये, टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये नंबर सिस्टीम एवढ्यावर थांबलेली नाही, किंवा त्याचा यूज आहे, अप्लिकेशन्स आहेत आणि भरपूर अप्लिकेशन्स आहेत. त्यामुळे नंबर थिअरी डेव्हलप करताना हा बघा आता काय झालंय, means root 4 root 9 root 9 is 3, since 3 square is 9. But suppose I want to find what about root of -9? Then that means you have to find a real number whose square is means you have to find a number whose square is -9. But there is no real number, whose square is negative, That means this number theory is not sufficient for science or technology. That's why we have developed another numbers, means how it has been developed. Suppose you want to find root 9, means now there is no real number whose square is -9. There is no real number whose square is -9. Now for that we can write root of -9 means 9 into root of -1. That means we can separate this root 9 into root of -1. Root 9 is real number. What about root -1? Now root of -1 means there is no real number whose square is -1. There is no real whose square is whose square is -1, means it is not real number. Now this root of -1, that is called as the imaginary number, and it is denoted by I. And that's why we can write root -9 as a 3 into I. Important thing is that we have denoted root -1 as an I, and it is called as the imaginary number. Now root of -1, though it is not real, it is a definitely imaginary number where I is the under root of -1. In this way, suppose you want to write root of -16. We can write this as a 16 into root of -1. Root 16 into root of -1, but root 16 is 4 and this number is denoted by I. That's why we can write root of minus 16 is 4i. Or take another number, that is minus 2. That means we can write this as a 2 into minus 1. Root 2 into root minus 1, and root minus 1 is denoted by I. Means root of minus 2 means root 2 into I. That is a imaginary number. Now you know what is the meaning of imaginary number. Means these are imaginary number. These are imaginary number. These are imaginary number. And important thing is that root of minus 1 is I. Root of minus 1 is I. Okay. Now I am going to define complex number. Now I am going to define a complex number. Now I, you know, I is very important now. This I, notation of I is for root of minus 1. Okay, that means what? I square is minus 1. Root of minus 1 is I, means what? Suppose this is a 4 is the root of 16. That means 4 square is 16. That's why. Like that, I is the root of minus 1. That means I square is minus 1. That is called imaginary. I is a imaginary. I is what? Imaginary. Okay. Now I am going to define complex number. I am going to define complex number. Now that is definition is complex number. Complex number. A number of type x plus iy, where x comma y belongs to real R, means xy real number, x and y are real number, and I equal to what? Under root of minus 1. There is this number, a complex number, x plus iy, where x comma y belongs to R, means these are the real number, and I is under root of minus 1, is known as complex number. Complex number. Complex number. That means all reals are complex. All reals are complex. Why? Reals are complex. Complex. आपण कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरचा कन्सेप्ट म्हणजे डेव्हलप केला, याचा अर्थ बाकीचे नंबर गेले का नाही. These are also complex, but some extra imaginary numbers are there. But all reals are definitely complex. Why? Suppose this is a complex, 2 is a complex. Why? Why? Because we can write 2 plus 0 into I, where 2 comma 0 is a real number, 2 comma 0 is a real number, and I is under root of minus. Therefore 2 is a complex number. That means all real numbers are complex. All real numbers are complex. Definitely all real numbers are complex. Okay, that is the important definition. This is called as, x is called as a real part. X is called as a real part. Real part. And this y, imaginary part. This is a imaginary part. This is the real part, and this is the imaginary. Real, imaginary. Okay? Imaginary means all reals are complex number, but all complex numbers are not real. Now this number is not real actually. Means all reals are complex, but all complex are not real. Now suppose this type of number 2, purely real, but definitely it is a complex. 2i, purely imaginary, means real part is absent. Real part is absent. This type of number is called as a complex. But if a real part is absent, purely imaginary. If means imaginary part is absent, purely real. Okay, and now this type of number, it is a complex number. Complex number means all real numbers are complex number. Means this is a complex where 2 and 3 are real, or 2 root 2 plus root 3 into I real, means complex number. Real part, imaginary part. Real part, imaginary part. Real numbers. I means under root of minus 1. Okay, that is the important thing. Now I am going to discuss conjugate of this complex number. First of all, this, now keep in mind, under root minus I means I square is minus 1. I cube is what? I square into I, that is minus 1 into I, minus I. I raised to 4, that is I square its square, minus 1 raised to 2, that is again 1. I raised to 5, I raised to 4 into I raised to 4 is what? I raised to 4 is 1. I raised to 4 is 1 into I, that is I. I raised to 6, I square its cube, that means minus 1 cube, that is a minus 1. Means observe, you can observe if there are the even powers of I. The even powers of y, even powers of y, definitely they are plus or minus 1. They are plus or minus 1. If divisible by 4, then plus 1. If not divisible by 4, minus 1. Means I raised to 10. These are the even powers. Even powers. Plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. But if divisible by 4, then plus 1. Divisible by 4, then plus 1. Otherwise, minus 1. Even but not divisible by minus 1. And if divisible by 4, power is divisible by 4, definitely plus 1. Similarly for odd powers, I cube, I raised to 5, I raised to 7. You can write this. I cube means this I square into I. I square into I means what? Minus I. I raised to 5 means I raised to 4 into I. That is what? Plus I. I raised to 7 means I raised to 6. I raised to 6 into I means what? Minus I. Again, and I raised to 9. I raised to 9. It will I raised to 8 into I. That is a 1 into I. That is I. Means if power is odd, definitely it is a plus I or means power is odd plus I or minus I. Or if power is even, then it definitely its value will be plus 1 or minus 1, means it will purely real. Okay, purely real. If power is divisible by 4, definitely plus 1. Even but not divisible by 4, minus 1. If power is odd, definitely plus or minus I. That's why you can find I raised to any integer, positive integer. Okay. Now I am going to define conjugate of complex number. Conjugate of complex number. Okay. Conjugate of complex number. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of what is the definition of conjugate of complex number? Let this z is a complex number. This z is a complex number, and it is suppose x plus iy. This is real part. This is imaginary part. Conjugate of complex number. It is denoted by z bar. It is denoted by z bar. Conjugate is denoted by z bar. Suppose z is a complex number. Its conjugate is denoted by z bar, and it is a x minus iy. X minus iy conjugate. That is the definition. Very simple definition. If x plus iy is a complex number, definitely x minus iy is its conjugate. Means conjugate, complex number conjugate. Suppose it is a 2 plus 3i. Conjugate is 2 minus 3i. Suppose it is a 1 minus 4i. Definitely 1 plus 4i will conjugate. Now suppose it is a root 2 plus 5i. What will conjugate? Root 2 minus 5i. Suppose this is a minus 3 minus 7i. Conjugate will be minus 3 plus 7i. Okay. Now again I am going to write some conjugate. Complex conjugate. Suppose 4. 4 means 4 plus 0i. That's why its conjugate will be 4 plus 4 minus 0i, means conjugate is what? 4. Now suppose 2i. 2i means 0 plus 2i, means it will 0 minus 2i. That will minus 2i will be conjugate. Okay. According to our definition, conjugate of this 4 is 4, because 4 means 4 plus 0i. It will be 4 minus 0i, means same. Okay. 2i means 0 plus 2i. It's 0 minus 2i, means minus 2i. Conjugate of 2i is minus 2i. Okay. Now what is the property of conjugate? What is the property of conjugate? Simple thing. Suppose x plus y is a z, and z bar, that is the conjugate, is definitely x minus iy. Now what is the multiplication of z into z bar? That is x plus iy into x minus iy. Okay. That is a plus b, a minus b. According to this formula, x square minus iy whole square, and that is x square minus I square y square. Iy square means this is the first term, this is second term. You know the identity. X square minus I square y square. But what about minus I square? Minus I square means what? Minus 1. I square is a real number, and therefore minus it is a plus 1. minus minus, it is plus 1. Therefore it is x square plus y square. Keep in mind, then z into z bar is x square plus y square. Means though these are the complex number containing terms of I, it is a purely real number. Purely real number. Multiplication of complex and its conjugate will be purely real number. Pure z bar equal to what? X square plus y square. Purely real. Purely real. There is no term of y. There is no term of I. Okay? There is no term of y. I. ठीक है? Means conjugate ची property तुम्हाला कळली. दो suppose what is the 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i now? Now that is a 2 square. 4 minus 3i square means minus 9. That is a 4 plus 9 means there will be no term of I. Means conjugate multiplication of z and z bar is a real. Purely real. Purely real. Okay? There is no term of I. ठीक है? That is a multiplication. Vice versa. Now x square minus y square, what are factor? X minus y, x plus y. But what about now these factors? Now these factors are complex. How? This x square plus means I am going to write minus of minus y square. Okay? This is a minus. Now minus y square means what? Minus y square means yi whole square. Yi whole square means factor are x minus yi, x plus yi. Now we can factorize like this, means expression like this. If you don't know, if you are unknown about a complex number, then only you can factorize this. Okay? But now you know a complex number, therefore you can factorize x square plus y square also. That is x square minus of minus y square. That is x minus yi plus x plus y. Okay? Now then algebra. In algebra, addition, subtraction. Number 1, addition oblique subtraction. Subtraction is no, there is no importance to subtraction. Addition means आपोआप subtraction आलेला आहे. Suppose z1 is one complex number is x1 plus I y1 and z2 is x2 plus I y2. Then what about z1 plus z2? What about z1 plus z2? Add real part, that is x1 plus x2. Okay? And add real part, that is a I means what? y1 plus y2. That is called as addition. Of course, subtraction means z1 minus z2 which sign x1 minus x2 x1, because these two are minus and this I y1 minus y2. Okay? That is a algebra. Means suppose you want to add this 3 plus 5i and plus minus 2 plus 7i, then add real part, that is 3 minus 2. See here, real part, 3 minus 2. 3 and minus 2 means what? 1. And this 5 plus 7, that is a 12i. That is the addition. If subtraction is there, what will happen? If subtraction is there, then what will happen? Means real number 3 plus 5 are behind, there is a minus sign, means minus, this will plus. Now I am going to remove this bracket, minus 2 and plus 7i behind that minus sign, minus 7i. Now real part, that is a 3 plus 2 5i minus 7i, 5i minus 7i, 5 minus 7 minus 2i. Okay, means we can do addition, means that is the same thing, subtraction. Okay, in math subtraction is not another operation, because a minus b means a plus minus b. means कशी करायची ॲडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन कळले काय त्याच्यात वेगळं नाही. रिअल पार्ट ॲड करा आणि इमॅजिनरी पार्ट ॲड करा. ॲड हा शब्द वापरतो तुम्ही, सबट्रॅक्ट नाही वापरत. ॲड मीन्स रिअल नंबर मध्ये काही पण असू शकतो. सपोज दिस इज √2 plus 5i and plus this is suppose z1 and this is suppose z2, that is suppose √3 plus 6i. now real part means this is and this is √2 plus √3 √5 नाही होणार, फक्त एवढं लक्षात घ्या नाही तर आपली इज्जत घालवा. √2 plus √3, that is the real part, because irrational numbers are there, though they are irrational, definitely these are real. Means what is the addition? √2 plus √3. Then what about 5 plus 6i? 11i. Okay, that is the addition. Suppose this is a √2 plus √3i and plus root 5 plus root 7i. Again what will addition, real part add करा, real part म्हणजे root 2 plus root 5 नाही root 7 लिहा, irrational number आहेत अशीच राहील addition. And root 3 plus root 7i means root 3 plus root 7i, that is the addition. Means in this way we can do addition as well as subtraction of any two complex number. Now I am going to explain multiplication. Okay, multiplication. 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 Now see, Z1 is suppose x1 plus I y1 and Z2 is suppose x2 plus I y2. See, you have to attempt 50 questions now in this exam, coming exam, and these are the all multiple choice. That's why very simple question will there, and these are all based on like this addition, multiplication, polar form, comma, amplitude, and these argument. Okay, argument, amplitude, or amplitude modulus, like this. Now Z1 into Z2, x1 plus I y1, like real number expand this, like real number expand this, x1 multiply x1 this bracket by x1, that is x1 x2. Okay, then multiply this. Okay, x1, but there is term of I, x1 y2 I. Okay, then multiply this. Again there is term of I. Again there is term of I. That is I y1 x2. y1 x2 I. And then this I into I square. I square I am going to write now directly. I square into 1 means minus y1 y2. And these are the real term x1 x2. Real term is which does not contain terms of I. That is x1 x2 and I into I square means minus 1 y1 y2. These are the real, and in imaginary part x1 y2 x2 y1, terms of I x1 y2 and y1 x2. That is addition, means this is the real part, again this is the imaginary part. ओके, कळलंय मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं करायचं तर, मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं करायचं तर कळलंय. 50 क्वेश्चन म्हणजे सिंपल असणार आहे, फक्त तुम्हाला करता आली पाहिजे. ओके, ठीक आहे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन ॲडिशन करता आली पाहिजे. नाव सपोज एक्झाम्पल, टेक वन एक्झाम्पल. सपोज Z1 इज 1 plus I and Z2 is 2 minus I, 2 minus 3I. Now what about Z1 into Z2? That is 1 plus I into 2 minus 3I. Okay. Now I can write directly, but you don't write directly. You have no habit. That's why I multiply this. 1 into 2 2, 1 into minus 3I into 2. I will tell like this. Okay. Otherwise I can write directly. Minus 3 into I square. I square means minus 1. I square means minus 1. Definitely this will real term, purely real. I square means minus 1. I square means minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is a plus 3. Means real term is 2 plus 3 5, and imaginary terms are this. Every complex number contains real part and imaginary, means terms of I and terms without I. Now with the terms without I means real part. This is 2, and though you are seeing there I is there, but no, actually I square means minus 1, and minus 3 into minus 1, this is a plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 3I plus 2I, that is minus I, minus 1I. Minus 1I means what? 5 minus I. Like this we can do multiplication. Okay. Now if any question is there in paper, definitely you can multiply. Again take another example. Means always addition of two complex number is a complex number. Multiplication of two complex number is a complex number. Suppose I want to simplify this. 2 minus 5I into 3 plus 7I. This 2 3s are 6, then 2 into 7 49, then minus 5 into 3 minus 59, minus plus into minus 35 into I square. साईन कडे लक्ष ठेवायला पाहिजे. मल्टिपल चॉईस मध्ये नेहमी आय स्क्वेअर मायनस म्हणजे 35 झालं. 6 + 35 41 झाले. रियल पार्ट this is the imaginary part, means terms containing I, that is the imaginary part. I is under root -1. 14 minus 15 minus 1 I, that is the multiplication. Okay, now I will come to division. Now I am going to explain division. Okay, now what about division? Suppose Z1 is 2 plus I or 2 plus 3I, and Z2 is 3 minus 4I. Okay, now what about Z1 by Z2? Division करायचा आहे. Z1 upon Z2. That means question is like this, write in A plus X plus IY form. Division means याचं division X plus IY form मध्ये लिहा, म्हणजे रियल आणि इमॅजिनरी पार्ट काय आहे. This is a division. That means question is like this, divide this Z1 by Z2 or write this Z1 by Z2 in X plus IY form, which is the real part and which is real. Now what is the method actually? Actually method is what? What is the conjugate of 3 minus 4I? Now conjugate is important. What is the conjugate of 3 minus 4I? Definitely 3 plus 4I. Multiply this conjugate of denominator. To both numerator and denominator. व्हॅल्यू चेंज नाही व्हायला पाहिजे. इथे 3 plus 4I ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं, इथे पण 3 plus 4I ने मल्टिप्लाय करायला पाहिजे. काय करायचं कळलं की नाही? इथे A plus BI असेल, C plus DI असेल. कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करा? कॉन्जुगेट डिनॉमिनेटर आणि न्यूमरेटर. ओके, आता इथं मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं आहे? डिनॉमिनेटर सिंपल होईल. न्यूमरेटर 2 plus 3I, फक्त इथं मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर इथं सुद्धा. ओके, नाव डिनॉमिनेटर बघा रियल होईल का? कॉन्जुगेटचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. Z1 इंटू Z बार एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर. डायरेक्ट लिहायचं असेल तरी लिहिता येईल. हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन डायरेक्ट नसेल करायचं. 2 3 जार 6, 2 4 जार 8I. 2 आयच्या टर्म येतील, 2 रियल नंबर येतील. 3I इंटू 3 9I. ही मात्र टर्म आयची येणार नाही. 3 इंटू 4 12 I स्क्वेअर येणार. 12 I स्क्वेअर मीन्स 12 into -1. 12 into -, that is -12. Okay, and here is the conjugate. 3 plus 4I, 3 minus 4I, 3 square minus, actually you can write directly. You can write A square X square plus Y square means 9 plus 16 25. मायनसचा प्रश्नच येणार नाही. का नाही येणार बघा? 6 minus 12 minus 6, इथं काय प्रश्न नाही. 8 plus 9 17 आहे ना. इथं काय येणार? 9 आणि हा 4I स्क्वेअर म्हणजे -16. मायनस प्लस 16. किंवा तुम्ही डायरेक्ट लक्षात ठेवा काय? X Z इंटू Z बार X प्लस IY इंटू X मायनस IY. डायरेक्टली लिहू शकता. काय मायनस साईन नाही, पॉझिटिव्ह येणार टर्म X स्क्वेअर पहिल्याचा स्क्वेअर प्लस Y स्क्वेअर. डायरेक्टली काय? मायनस I स्क्वेअर Y स्क्वेअर मीन्स प्लस Y स्क्वेअर. दॅट इज -6 प्लस 17I अपॉन 16 प्लस 9 25. नाउ यू कॅन सेपरेट न्यूमरेटर डिनॉमिनेटर. हा 25 दोघांना आहे, -6 ला पण आहे आणि 17 ला पण आहे. म्हणजे हा काय झाला? रियल पार्ट आणि हा झाला इमॅजिनरी पार्ट. दिस इज रियल नंबर, दिस इज ऑल्सो रियल मीन्स इमॅजिनरी पार्ट. टर्म कंटेनिंग आहे. Thus, in this way, we can do division. Very simple. Division is very simple. Only what you have to keep in mind that multiply numerator and denominator by complex conjugate of denominator. 3 minus, what is the complex conjugate of denominator? 3 minus 4I. Complex conjugate is 3 plus 4I. That's why in denominator definitely real number will come. That is 9 plus 16 25. And multiply two terms in numerator. Definitely you can separate denominator and you will get which form? X plus IY. Means this is the X and this is the Y. Means real part plus imaginary parts are real parts and imaginary parts are separated. Okay. Now again do one division. Suppose question is like that. Express in X plus IY form. Express in X plus IY form. Okay, express in X plus IY form. Now the question is like this: 1 plus 2i upon 1 minus I. Now what is that? What is our question? Or that is division. That is division. Z1 upon Z2. What is the method? What is the method? Write first conjugate. Write first conjugate of denominator. What is the conjugate of denominator? 1 minus I. What is the conjugate? 1 plus I. Multiply by 1 plus I. To denominator and numerator both. To denominator and numerator both. 1 square minus I square. Okay. And now in numerator, that is 1 plus 2i, 1 plus I. Okay. Okay. Now this is a 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 into I, that is I, 2i into 1, 2i, 2i into I square, 2i square, 2 into I square means minus 2. And again here 1 square plus I square means minus 1, minus minus plus 1. Okay, that will be what? 1 minus 2 minus 1. And I plus 2i, that is a 3i upon 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, that now you can write this multiplication, the multiplication directly, since it is a minus 1 minus I into 1 plus I, x square plus y square, that is 1 square plus 1 square. Here is x1 and y is also 1, x square plus y square, 1 square plus 1 square 2, and that's why it will be separate denominator 3 by 2i, and therefore this is x and this is y. Okay, in this way you can write any complex number in the form of x plus iy, where there is a multiplication or addition or subtraction or division. Each means this after simplification we can bring any complex number in the x plus iy form. Suppose this is a 7 upon I. Now what you have to do, actually it is a 0 plus I, means minus I, multiply by minus I. Now 7 into minus I, minus 7i, and here I into I square minus 1, but plus into minus minus, and I square is minus, means minus 7i upon 1, that is a minus 7i. Okay, okay, means 0 plus minus 7i, means it is a form x plus iy. X is 0 and y is a minus 7. You know this, actually you know this about complex number. Okay, means in this part what you have seen, that is actually what is the meaning of complex number. What is I means under root minus 1. From that you can find the value of I raised to any positive integer, I raised to 1, I raised to 2, I cube. Okay, then what is the meaning of complex conjugate you have seen. Then how means addition and multiplication can be done, that also you have observed. And main, it is a division. You can observe how we can do division, that is Z1 upon Z2. What is the actual method? Multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of denominator. Definitely in denominator there will be a real number. Separate that real number. The number will comes in form x plus iy. Okay. Bye. In second part, I am going to explain which part, polar form of complex number. These two parts are very important, and matrices I will give one hint what you have to do. Okay. Bye.